Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the font style on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. To change the font style, open Settings on your device, then scroll down to Display section. Open it, and then navigate down to Font Size and Style option. Here you'll be able to change the font style by selecting Font Style option and choosing the font that you like the most. If you don't like any of these bolds, you can tap Download Fonts, proceed to the Galaxy Store and download one of the available fonts right here, and then choose it in this menu. You can also make the font bolder and change the size of it by moving this circle on this slider either to the right to increase or to the left to decrease your text size. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.